In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply discount code on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you have found the discount code and if you would like to use it, what you have to do is simply go to your cart. Before going to the cart, make sure you've added the item to the cart. Simply click on the item that you would like to purchase. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for add to cart. Click on it and the item will be added to the cart. Now after you add the item to the cart, click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to view your cart. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Click on this option, go to checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface of eBay. Over here, you'll have to select the payment method. Also, you'll have to select the shipping address over here. But if you would like to use the discount code, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for gift cards and coupons. What you have to do is simply enter your discount code over here. Click on the field of enter code. Now enter your discount code over here. After you do that, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll get the promised discount and your order total will decrease. So that is how you get discount code on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.